Hey guys, so I thought I'd give you a quick tour of a tiny home that I am staying in. As you can tell, this lot has other tiny home livers and RVers, so it's really nice, super in the forest, in the middle of nowhere. And this is a Coco home. I'll give you links to below of like the makers and stuff like that and which model this is and whatnot. But as you walk in the entryway, it has this little cabinet space, which I guess you could put like little things up, and you could probably mount a TV on the wall somewhere, maybe a swivel TV. And the square footage is about 125 square foot with a loft included, so maybe around 175. Still pretty small. This is probably the smallest tiny home that I've seen. And then over here you have the main seating area, and it's also the main entertainment area, the living room, all like that. But it also comes out so that it's a full-size bed. The extra cushions could be extra cushions just to feel comfortable, but also for the bedding. And then on the bottom you have storage, which would be great for extra sheets, blankets, and things like that to make up the bed, or shoes storage. And then over here you have a table. It's not unfortunately collapsible. It looks like it's just stationary. And then open shelving unit as well. This has great windows, super open, super airy and bright. I love all the white walls. Over on this side, you have these little storage cubbies. They would actually be great if you added hooks to put like little jackets and things like that, more outerwear that you don't want to like track any of the mud in. Here are two stools, and the stools can be used to having breakfast over there at that table. This is a nice sturdy countertop. It has a great big deep kitchen sink, and it has a 2-burner over here, a coffee maker, microwave, and a small refrigerator. As you make your way to the back of it, you have this small window and you have this sliding barn door, which is great for the bathroom. It's actually super cute because it gives a rustic and modern feel based off the hardware and the colors that they used for the cabinetware and everything like that. Over here, you have a regular flushing toilet, some open shelving unit, which is great for toiletries and towels. You have this towel rack here, and you have a small window, and then a full-size shower with a rain head. So as we make our way over, on the left side you see this stationery. I thought it slid over, which actually would have been a cool design feature to show half the closet and also half of that, but it is stationary. And it is great for open unit if you like to show display things, or if you just want to have some things folded neatly there. Over here is your only main storage compartment area. Besides upstairs in the loft, there's about like 1 or 2 cabinets. But over here, as you can see, there is this shelving unit, which you can just put stuff up at the top, but then you also have the rack, and they make kind of like a laundry basket over there, which is a good idea. Then coming up to the stairs, there's actually half stairs, half ladder, which I'm not a huge fan of the half and half. I do see how it gives a little bit more open feel and you can look through the space, but for design, and I guess design it makes sense, but comfort I don't really think so. It has this nice handrail, which is also up there as a guardrail for the upstairs. When you make your way up, you can see it is a really tight loft, and it's a gabled roof where compared to an A-frame, which would give more headspace. When you're sitting all the way up to on the left side, which is like the highest point, there's about 2 feet, I'd say, of you sitting up. So I was even hunched, and I'm 4'8", so super small. This built-in shelving is actually really nice. I don't think they needed to add those drawers because the drawers don't actually pull out. I think that they have about a 5-inch memory foam bed here, but the build-ins are nice because that would be kind of your second storage area compared to the closet downstairs. And that is it, guys. I'll put all the information down below on the house and stuff like that, the builders and whatnot, and where it's located if you want to check it out. I can also put the link to their listing and their Airbnb, so you guys can stay here if you'd like. It's perfect for like a couple of days if you have like 2 people with you. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll talk to you later. Bye.